Welcome class once again. I am Arindam Ghosh and my visiting code is 1064. Today I am going to discuss another new topics in partnership accounts. This is called adjustment of capital and change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. This is a type of reconstitution affecting only the profit and loss sharing ratios of the partners, the existing partners. No new partners are admitted. Remember this. कोई नए पार्टनर्स का एडमिशन नहीं हो रहा है. The existing partners does this amongst themselves. So what we are going to study is adjustment of capital and change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. It is one of the forms of reconstitution of the firms and important is among the existing partners. No new partners are admitted. There is only change is the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Only change is the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. This results in gain to some partners and loss to others. The partners who are in profit due to this change should compensate the sacrificing partner or partners in the profit sharing ratio. The new profit sharing ratio is the ratio at which the partners decide to share profits and losses in future. Now a new term will arise from here. This is called sacrificing ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? The ratio in which the partners have agreed to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of other partners is called sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is calculated as old ratio minus new ratio. And there is another term. It is called gaining ratio. So what is gaining ratio? The ratio in which the partners have agreed to gain their share of profit from other partners. Gaining ratio is calculated as new ratio minus old ratio. Now, for this purpose, in the books of the firm, few adjustments are made. What are they? The first is revaluation of assets and liabilities. Next is adjustments of reserves, accumulated profits and losses. And third is adjustments for goodwill. These three adjustments are usually made when there is change in when there is adjustments of capital and change in profit sharing ratios among existing partners. So for adjustments of goodwill, what we need to do? Goodwill is also one of the special aspects which require adjustment. The gaining partner pays the sacrificing partner the proportionate share of goodwill which is equal to share gained by him. We will do an illustrative problem to understand these topics. Next is revaluation of assets and liabilities. This is number one. This is done because revaluation of assets and liabilities is done because to show the assets and liabilities at correct values, unrecorded assets and liabilities are brought into the books. Profit or loss arrived at on account of such revaluation up to the date of reconstitution may be adjusted in the partners' capital accounts in their sacrificing ratio, and this shows the actual position of the firm. Now we will discuss about the adjustments of reserves and accumulated profits or loss. What will happen? If anything as such appears in balance sheet, it should be transferred to partners' capital account. If the partners decide to leave them undisturbed, it is necessary to make an adjustment entry in the books of the firm. Then what happens is the share gained by the gaining partner, he must compensate the sacrificing partner their share of profits and reserves which is proportionate to him. So these are the three adjustments which usually happens when there is any change in profit sharing ratio. Now, what we have studied, we will see an illustrative example so that we can understand it. So here is a problem. The problem is there are 3 partners. Number of partners is 3, A, B and C. Profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Now the partners, these ABC partners, they decide to share profit and loss equally from 1st of January 2019, and goodwill is valued at rupees 24,000. So what is the problem? What is the requirement? Show sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio and pass necessary journal entries. So let us calculate the sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio and pass necessary. Solution is this. Old ratio is 3:2:1. 3:2:1. New ratio is 1:1:1. How? They decide to share profit and loss equally. So this is the new ratio. Equal partner, 1:1:1. Now what is sacrificing or gaining ratio? That is old ratio minus new ratio. So A's share will be 3/6 minus 1/3. That is a negative 1/6 share is coming. This is, I have calculated it previously. So this is the sacrifice A is making. Let's go to B. B share is 2/6 minus 1/3. This is nil. Nothing happens. So it's indifferent in this change, in B part. C's part is 1/6 minus 1/3 is 1/6. This is a positive one, so he is gaining. He is gaining. So just now we have studied what needs to be done is A will receive for goodwill. Goodwill is valued at rupees 24,000. He is sacrificing ratio. So 24,000 into 1/6 is 4,000 rupees. A will receive for goodwill because he is sacrificing. So he will get rupees 4,000. And C will give for goodwill because he is gaining. C is gaining. So C will give for goodwill rupees 24,000 into 1/6 rupees 4,000. He will give this to A. Just now we have studied it. And we need to pass the necessary journal. So the journal would be, I haven't done that format. We all know the format. I have saved the time. So this is just what we need to do is, on 1st January 2019 is the date. The gaining partner will give to the sacrificing partner. So C's capital account debit 4,000 rupees to A's capital account 4,000 rupees. And as you know, we need to pass the necessary narration. So it is being the adjustment of goodwill made on the change in profit sharing ratio. So you practice this problem, go through the theory what I have teach you today, and next day we will proceed further in our next class. So till then, thank you and goodbye.